sige nga Marius, let's try this experiment here. Let's see what will happen. First step, get 20 ml of water. Can you measure it there? Oh, sige nga, you put the water. You use your other hand, yeah. Can you open it? Let me help you.
I cannot open.
Your hands are covered. For your safety lang. Oh, careful ha.
One, two.
Let's see. You check 20 ml na ba?
Let's see. Oh, 20 ml.
Okay, sige. I'll put this water absorbing resin in this cup. Let's see what will happen.
Let's see what's happening.
Let's see what will happen. 1 teaspoon. Oops, napadami. Okay, sige nga. You try to transfer this water to the other cup. And let's see what will happen.
Wow.
Let's wait for 5. Look what's happening. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's no water.
Ice. It is ice.
It's ice. Yes, it's an experimental snow.
Oh, yes. Yeah, the ice.
Oh, don't touch. That's why I gave you the plastic. Yan yung panghawak mo. Yan.
Yay! Yes, yay!
It's like an ice na, no?
This second, you can, if this is the small paper here, you can make a snowman.
Let's make a snowman. Sige nga, let's try to make a colored one.
Huh?
Let's make a colored ice. You get another water. You put 20 ml. I'll help you na lang. You check if 20 ml na.
Stop.
Stop?
Oh, it is 20 ml.
Okay, then let's put another cup. I'll put this one. Oh, you put the coloring. This one. Oh wait, you. Lagay kang konti. Let's see paano mag-grab. Go, press it. Huh? Ayaw. Let me see, baka matigas. Ayun. You need to press. Press again. Oh, natanggal. Again.
Done.
Okay.
Then that mix.
Let's see. Oh, get this other one. This.
Okay.
Let's remove this first.
Oh, whoa,
Go. What color is that?
red.
Now you mix.
Wow, it's red.
It's red. Sige nga. You try to transfer it.
Let's see the other. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Wow! let's mix.
Oh, sige nga, you try to mix.
Oh! Then let's use this.
Did you enjoy our first experiment?
Now let's put this inside this way.
Okay.
Wow.
Let's study the other experiment ha. Tapos next time natin sila gagawin.